When family or friends don't support you. Protect your peace and rebuild. Self-worth, nothing hurts, misunderstood by the people closest to you. When friends or family dismiss your dreams, ignore your boundaries, or make you feel small, it creates a quiet kind of pain, one that makes you question your worth. You share your goals or truth, hoping for encouragement, and instead get silence or criticism. You've changed. Why are you doing that? That doesn't make sense. Suddenly, you find yourself shrinking, second-guessing, wondering, am I overreacting? Am I too sensitive? Should I just stop talking? That confusion erodes confidence. It convinces you something's wrong with you, when in truth, you're just evolving in a space that no longer knows how to hold you. If you've ever felt unseen, unsupported, or emotionally drained by your closest people, you're not alone. There is grief in realizing those you counted on may not be able to show up for you, but there's also power in choosing to support yourself first. Below are 5 mindset resets that can help you protect your peace, rebuild self-trust, and navigate this difficult but transformative season. Reset 1. Validate your own experience. One of the hardest parts of feeling unsupported is having to defend your feelings. You try to express pain only to hear, you're being dramatic. You're too emotional. Let's be clear, your emotions are valid, even if no one else sees them. You don't need others to co-sign your pain for it to matter. Start saying this to yourself: I believe me. That one shift builds the self-trust that healing requires. Reset 2. Set clear. Gentle boundaries. Boundaries aren't punishments, they're protection. They sound like, I'm not ready to talk about that. I need some space. That doesn't feel supportive. You don't need to argue, explain, or apologize. You're allowed to protect your peace, kindly and clearly. Reset 3. Redefine. What support looks like. Some people love you but don't know how to support you. They might try to fix things when you just need them to listen. They might avoid hard topics because they're uncomfortable, not because they don't care. But you still have the right to expect more, especially if your needs keep being ignored. Support looks like listening without judgment, asking, how can I show up for you? Respecting your boundaries, even if they don't fully get them. If someone can't offer this, it's not because you're asking too much. They may not have the capacity. That's not your fault. Reset 4. Build a safe inner circle. You don't need a crowd. You need a core. Even 1 or 2 people who genuinely see and support you can change everything. These are the people who hold you up when you're doubting yourself. The ones who remind you who you are when you forget. It's okay to reevaluate relationships. It's okay to shift closeness based on how safe someone feels. This isn't about cutting people off. It's about protecting your energy. Reset 5. Reconnect with yourself first. When we feel unsupported, we often chase validation, hoping someone will finally say, I get you. But the real shift happens when you stop waiting for others to see you and start choosing to see yourself. Confidence isn't built from others agreeing with your path. It comes from saying, even if they don't understand me, I still choose me. Ways to reconnect with yourself. Keep a journal to track your growth. Write letters. To yourself, I am proud of you. Remind yourself daily, your worth isn't up for debate. You don't need universal approval. You just need to stop abandoning yourself. Not everyone will understand your path. That's okay. It's yours, not theirs. If you're in a season of emotional loneliness or feeling unseen, know this: you are still powerful, still worthy, still enough. You don't have to prove yourself by overgiving, staying silent, or pretending you're fine. If no one has told you lately, you deserve relationships where your light is seen, not dimmed. If this message spoke to you, I invite you to keep walking this journey with us. We've created 2 free playlists to support your growth. The Reset Week, 7 short episodes to help you reset your mindset and reconnect with yourself, rebuilding self-worth and confidence. An ongoing series to help you heal from years of shrinking for others. You'll also find free journal prompts and tools in the description to guide your next reset. This space is for you. You are not alone, and you never were. We're just getting started.